Lily and I'm the founder of Go for Zero. Now Go for Zero is an online store with all toxin-free and waste-free products, and we're extremely strict about the products that we take on. So today I wanted to walk you through the Ever Eco range. It's a very popular range in our store, and I wanted to compare all the type of lunch boxes that we have, because sometimes it's quite hard to see that online. And I'm going to walk you through the range too. My table is full of it. So let me talk you through first the lunch boxes. These two are called stackable lunch boxes. You've got a small size and a big size. And I'm going to open one for you to show you how they look. So they come with a little side clip like that. When you clip it open, you will see the top pad has a little snack container in it. So great for any little snacks that you want to separate from the top. And then you have the bottom pad. So that's exactly the same with this one, but this is just a bigger size. Then we also have, I would say this one is a bit more for adults, this size. It's 1,400 mils. And when I open it up, it works the same way with the little clips on the side. But you will see it's just one compartment, but it comes with a divider. So it comes with a little divider like that. So that's this one. And then lastly, we also have their snack boxes. And the snack boxes, you have the ones with one compartment. You have the ones with two compartments. And then, I'm sure you can guess it, the ones with 3 compartments. So these are a bit small, I would say, for lunches. So I would indeed take these more as snack containers, while the stackable one would be better for lunches. So if we now compare them, you've got the snack lunchbox that looks like this. The size is very similar, but it's just a double height. So that's a stackable one, small one. And then you have the stackable big one. As you can see, it's way, way bigger. That's the adult one. And then let's take the really big one, which is this. Similar height, but a huge difference in size. You also have 2 types of containers. You've got these ones, which are the tiny, tiny ones, and they hold liquid really well. So they're this size, so they come in a 3-pack. And then our most popular one is our stackable round containers. So let's have a look at it. That's how they look. And they are, that's the second one that sits in there. And then there's a third one that sits in there. So you have 3 great sizes that come in this, that look like that. So that's our stackable ones, and they are definitely a big, generous size. Then we've got the drink bottles. We all love a pretty drink bottle, don't we? So all the drink bottles at Go for Zero are plastic free. And so the Ever Eco ones, they are double insulated. So that means actually that it keeps your water cold for 24 hours. Amazing for Aussie summer. And then hot for 8. And they just come like this. No plastic. This is a little silicone lid. And then they're generous size. They are a 750 ml drink bottle. And I'm gonna quickly show you this, the color. So this is the rose. Pretty. The green. The white. The black. And of course, we've all seen the stainless steel ones. While we're in the food lunch team, I also wanted to show you a few other products. So you've got the stainless steel drinking cups. Great for camping too. We love them for camping. There you go. That's how they look. They come in a 4-pack. Then you also have, when you're on the go, you've got your cutlery set. So this one has a fork, a knife, a spoon, and 2 chopsticks. Chopsticks are normally wood, I know, but they're always single use. So if you can just think about it the way it's single use is the one that we want to cut out, that's a great one. You always also have the spork. Let me show you. So it's just a fork and a spoon in one that looks like this. And then if you follow us on socials, you know I love these ones. Let me show you. These are silicone reusable Ziplock bags. So I use them, for example, for when I want to freeze smoothies, I use it. When I want to freeze food, I use it. If I want to marinate food, I use this too. You can even use it as a toiletry bag because it's also leak proof. So what you do is you pop your food in here. It's heat resistant because the silicone, it's also can be frozen. It's super easy in the dishwasher. It can go in your microwave. Like, it's such an easy product, not the plastic part. This is not microwavable, but this is. And so all you do is you pop your food in and then you slide from this side to there, and that will make it leak proof. How cool is that? Seriously. So this one is 1 liter they have. But they also have the, let me quickly have a look. This is the 1.5 liter. So look at this big size. I'll compare it to this. So 1.5 liter. And then they also, I'm ready for that one, the 4 liter. So if you have a big family, make lots of soup, if you want to put veggies in there, kale in there, you can also store things in it. So that's the 4 sizes that they have. There you go. Well, that's this one, which I think is really great also to take snacks when you're out and about. Let's do the silicone food covers. If you have never seen these, that's how they look. Looks weird, I know, but what they do, they actually replace single-use cling wrap, and I'm going to show you one, maybe on the little cup that I had before. So they are made from silicone and they are made to be reusable. So for example, let's say you have your cup and you have some liquid in it still and you want to store it. Instead of putting cling wrap on it, all you do is you pull this over it like this, and it will perfectly seal the cup. And as you can see how tight it is, that will show that it's also leak proof. If I would put water in this now, that would not come off. And that would really seal it fully. So that's the silicone food covers. They come in 6 different sizes, and I think they're great. You can put them on fruit, you can put them on big bowls. I put it also on a watermelon. So that's a good one to look into if you're looking to reduce cling wrap at home. They are super close to the end of their range. One of the things that they're probably most popular for is for their straws. As you can see, there's a huge range of straws, so I'm not going to show you all of them because most you know, but I quickly wanted to show you a few. So obviously you have straight and bent ones, and you always have rose gold and stainless steel. The ones that I really, really love are the glass ones. You would really think it breaks easy. I wouldn't say they do at all. And the good thing with these, I find, is you can see that it's clean. It's so nice that you know it's clean what you drink out of, and it's also really pretty actually to drink out of. You've got your bamboo ones too, and then I wanted to quickly show you these ones because they're the most popular ones. So that is the silicone straws, and let me quickly show you because they are great for kids. I would say they're great, and they're also really good for people that have a disability, that can't drink out of something straight, or that have like that can't hold it well because it bends with your bodies, you know, like if you move to left and right. So they are really nice to use for that. So it makes them also very suitable for kids. And then in their range, they also have cocktail ones. That's these ones, so the really smaller ones. So they come also in the stainless steel. And then you also have the smoothie drinking straws, so they are a bit thicker. So that's the straw range, which is huge. So these are stainless steel packs. They're rust proof. We live close to the beach, and it is so important to have rust proof packs. These should outlive you, in all honesty. These should go to your next generation because they are meant to last forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Super strong. This is a pack of 40. They also have a pack of 20. They also have a nutmilk bag. So this is if you don't drink any cow's milk. So if you love making your plant-based milk, this one is made from recycled plastic. It has this shape, so it's easy to be washed. And I find also nutmilk bags, you can also use it when you brew your kombucha. If you follow our stories on socials again, then you know I use also nutmilk bags for that. You can put cold brew coffees in it too. So nutmilk bags, you can really use it for a few different things. The last thing that I wanted to show you is they also have a small cleaning range. So they also have the long handle dish brushes. with the dish brush heads. And again, if you pull this down, and you see that, and you open it up, you can just replace the head. You don't need to buy a full brush again. If I'm strong enough, am I officially not strong enough? No, not strong enough. So if you put it like, if you can't do it, just put like a spoon in between and twist it, and that will open up, and you just put a new replacement head in, which is this one. And then you have also your scrub brushes, which are great for a bit like things that you have to scrub. Even in the bathroom, they are great. Pots and pans that you've gone maybe a little bit too long, like I do all the time. So they are great. Again, plastic free, and plastic free bristles too. So that's their whole range actually. I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions about the range. If there's anything else I can show you, and have a look on the website. I'll put the link in, and that will take you to all these products.